How to get current date and time of any city or zone of world using Java programming language. If we want to get current date and time of India, USA or UK or any city, we can use zone date time class of Java 8. We have a method in zone date time class called now, and the return type of this method is zone date time itself. And if I print this value, it is going to give me the current date and time of system clock in the default time zone. That means I'm in New York. So my system clock has been set to the New York time zone, and by default it is going to give me the current date and time of New York. Let me run and show you. So here you can see it is giving me the current date and time of New York, which is 24th of September, and it is past midnight. And you can see the time here as well. But suppose I want to get the time of India. For that we need to use zone ID. We have class called zone ID, and to get how many zones we have, for that we have another method called get available zone IDs, and it is going to return you a set of values. So let me store into a set, and I am going to use a for loop to iterate this set and print the zone IDs. I will run this program, and in the console you can see it has given you all the available zone IDs. So if you want to get the time of India, I need to find the appropriate zone ID. I have copied all the available zone IDs in Notepad++, and here we found one zone ID which will give me the current timestamp of India. We have only one time zone in India. So let's copy this zone ID, and we need to use zone ID dot off, and here you pass the copied zone ID, and return type of this method will be zone ID itself. We have overloaded now method in zone date time. If you don't pass, then you take the default system clock, but if you want to get the time of specific zone, we need to pass the zone ID in now method. Now if I run this program, it will give me the current date and time of India. So in the result you can see it is giving me Asia/Calcutta date and time, which is currently 24th of September 9:38 AM. We can verify this by simple Google search. Google says we have 9:38 AM 24th of September, and Java program is also returning me the same. Thank you everyone.